Hi, good morning. Imagine a basketball team. All right, a basketball team with a goal of winning a championship. So the basketball team has a group of players who are training day in and day out to be the best that they can be. They have a coach that makes sure that they follow the rules and they don't overindulge in activities that would prevent them from performing at their best, especially during the games. And they have a team manager that provides their salaries, give them supplies, motivates them so that they would again perform at their best during the games. And definitely, we have a referee uh, that they hire so that they would be forced to follow the rules so that during the games they wouldn't commit those unnecessary fouls or commit violations that would result to they being thrown out of the game because that would be critical. So in the AI world, we have their gym, which is called the virtual private cloud. That's where they practice. And the coach uh, is their guardrail. It is like the small language models that prevent the AI workers, the agentic estate, within the agentic estate, the players, uh, to provide outputs uh, that is within the realm of the rules and regulations of the game. And definitely, we have the GPU and the TPU, or the TPU rather, that provides the engine. So they're like a team manager so that the players would perform at their best. Very fast, very efficient, and very effective. So just think about that for the time being. And our next episode, we'll talk about sovereignty, about owning your data in this AI world. All right. Thank you and happy learning.